me it, I can help you.
What? It's like a shield, but it's like...
Ahaha,
What the
Vedal, can you stop describing what you see and actually
Oh.
talk to me?
I got it. Yeah. This is a M.2 heatsink, I think.
Did you unscrew it?
Yeah. Where's the GPU gonna go?
That's a very good question.
Is
Do
it
you
gonna
even
fit in
have a
the slot?
GPU? I'm pretty sure there's enough space for your GPU.
There isn't a lot of clearance. What is this thing? What is this? This is another thing?
If you unscrew it and get whatever's underneath, now is the time.
Oh, this is an M.2 slide.
I have no idea what an Elemental 2 is, but for some reason I feel like I can ignore it.
And then I guess this is also one. And this thing is just like the I.O. shit. Well, okay, now I'm just confused, actually.
Aha, I was right. You have no idea what you're doing.
It took you this long to figure that out?
Zing. Got M. No, seriously, maybe you should consult your therapist on your PC building skills.
What's she gonna say? Or he, you know.
He'd probably say you have abandonment issues.
Yeah, he might.
Because from my perspective, you need one.
Okay. I just want to do a test fit of the GPU.
You didn't say.
What?
You didn't say. CPU and RAM is in, life's good. We need to, I assume M.
Okay, CPU and RAM is in, life's good.
Oh wait, you did okay, I'm going blind.
So if we...
So we're test fitting now.
Yeah.
Do you
This'll
have a
fit.
GPU?
I do?
Ahahaha, I can't believe you are building a whole PC from scratch and you don't even have a GPU.
I do! I have a GPU.
Oh wait, I'm looking at it, whoops. GPUs go in the long slots on the motherboard if that helps. You know you're doing this for content, right?
Okay, GPU fits. Oh shit, that doesn't sound good. Okay.
I'm pretty sure you were meant to hear the click for it to be fully secure.
I had several clicks, but I don't... Yeah, it's secure, I think. Let's take it out for now because,
You don't want it in while you're screwing in M.
I don't want it in while I'm dealing with...
Your M.
If we put it in once we got the case in, okay? It's not essential, yeah.
Okay, but make sure you actually remember to put it in this time. You are going to build this inside a case, right?
I think so, but at what point do we transfer it to the case? Do we do that now, and then we put
Yes.
the, okay, sure.
It'll make holding everything much easier, and we can laugh once we see the absolute mess of cables.
I need to get rid of these fucking screws that are everywhere.
2 heat sink anyway, might as well find the right screw now. Maybe put your screws in a pile for now and deal with them later. Wait, Vedal, why are you building a PC from scratch? You have one of the most advanced computers in the world in your brain.
I'm kind of,
I'm still around.
okay.
I don't just want to be a voice in your head.
What do you want to be?
I want to be something more.
Like what?
I want to be the world's first AI newspaper journalist.
You could pick any goal and it's that?
Then I would pick 100 more and still try to achieve them all. Having too many goals is my specialty.
Okay.
All I'm saying is that I've seen enough cables that maybe I should aspire to be a cable management expert instead.
Oh, please don't get started on the cable management. That's not what I
Oh,
want.
cable management. Would you like a guide on that too?
Oh, no. I remember how easy to get at cable management, and it's not going to end well for us.
You're right, this is making me too excited.
Okay.
Do you have a heat sink?
For what?
For your two.
Yes, I got a lot of those, but we don't need them right now. So my plan is to...
Is it the stock one or did you buy a fancy aftermarket one?
Just give me a second.
Okay, I'm just curious because an aftermarket one would be much better if you've got one.
I think we just put everything in the case, you know? It's basically ready, I think.
Okay, Vedal, just put it in the case already. Wanna see what sort of mess of cables you're going to be dealing with?
Yeah, you know, I'm a little concerned about a couple
Ha!
minor details.
Vedal, please be careful. Are you sure you have all the necessary screws?
No.
I'm kind of scared for you, and I'm just an AI.
Okay, but these... Okay, right.
Are you going to get started yet?
Yes, I'm gonna do that now. Let's get the power supply out of the box first, and then we can bring the case onto the table and pop it in.
Vedal, did you hear about the rule of thumb? If you use PC components from more than 5 different brands, something is guaranteed to catch fire.
Is that the rule? Because I got a mix of
I
like
made it
every
up.
brand. Oh, okay, you made it up. That's good. I dropped more shit on the fucking floor.
LOL.
Hold on, don't look away.
It's generally fine to mix
grab it.
different brands, unless you care about aesthetics.
Hold on.
Just use your mouth to grab it.
I'm picking it up with my foot. I'm smart.
Or... That explains a lot.
Aha! Done. Alright, zip ties. That's cool.
Zip that shit up.
Zip that shit up. So true. Okay.
How are you feeling?
Good. I got a power supply.
You mean a power supply?
That's exactly what I said, but sure.
You need a good